Cosmos.
Hi everyone. I know a lot of you are looking to new things on VR, and I want to introduce you my new app, Cosmos. It's not a game, it's not also a science app. It's more like an immersive experience focused on storytelling and 3D sound. I am a huge fan of Carl Sagan, and I wanted to do a poetic journey through space. As a solo developer, the challenge was to make the scale of space feel intimate. I use Unity URP pipeline to make sure it can run smoothly on Quest standalone. I work on Cinema 4D for the modeling. It was not very easy nor convenient to use the software, but is what I learned many years ago. Even if I'm solo, I work with other talents to make it feel real and emotional, both in my native language, French, but also in English and Spanish. I also use some tools from the VR community, like ShapeLab. It's very convenient and fun to use, to be honest. Cosmos is gonna be available on the Meta Store and also in Steam PC VR in the near future, so stay tuned.